Hello, this is Leo at LETIME. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a cucumber hydrosol by steam distillation, and also show you a recipe to make a toner, which is good to relieve stress on sensitive skin and help calm down the inflammation, including acne and eczema. Idea of a toner comes from this book. With cucumber, the first step we peel off. The skin has some, after distillation, you have some cooked smell, odor. I'm using the small cucumber. You can use the English cucumber, but doing the same thing. Now we cut and slice into small pieces. To make a toner, the second ingredient is aloe vera. After wash it, just slice it. And cut it into a smaller piece. The third ingredient is lemon balm. I'm using the dry lemon balm. Now mix all the ingredients into the steamer. First we add a cucumber. Now have aloe vera. Try to make a layer by layer. The last one is the lemon balm. This hydrosol has a very strong aloe vera odor and a lemon balm. Cucumber, because aloe vera and lemon balm are so strong, so they cover the odor of cucumber, but essential volatile compound has been extracted out into the bottle. So when you are making the cucumber hydrosol at home, remember, first remove the peel. Second, cut into the smaller pieces and keep the seed if you're using the English cucumber. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about medicinal herb, how to use and the benefits. See you next time.